Is your personality promoting or preventing your success in your professional role, whether in business, in a salaried position, or operating a non-profit organization? How about your family? Is your personality preventing or promoting the building of relationships long term? Let's engage in conversation around the Enneagram. The ancient power of the Enneagram, which gives us a mirror, which reveals to us the personality we were born to create from childhood to today, to cope with life and to make the most of our opportunities. And it helps us to chart a developmental course to become more open to the diversity, the beautiful diversity among us in our professional, personal, and public domains. So, it all starts with coffee. Reach out, scan the QR code, type in the bit.ly URL. Let's get talking around your personality, the personality of success, fueled, powered by the ancient Enneagram.